So guys, item number 7 or problem number 7 states that find the length of the curve y raised to negative 3 halves is equal to 8x plus 3 from y is greater than or equal to 11 raised to 3 halves and y is less than or equal to 27 raised to 3 halves. So, first thing to do, of course, again, is to plot at saka identify kung ano yung kailangan natin. So, ang hinahanap natin is length of the curve. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating formula for the length of the curve is S is equal to, so, meron ako nakikita na S ang ginagamit or L ang ginagamit. It's up to you. Basta alam natin kung anong ating hinahanap. So, for this, S yung nakasanayan ko. So, S is equal to, and then sabi niya kanina is from Y is equal to, from Y is greater than or equal to 11 raised to 3 halves and then less than or equal to 27 raised to 3 halves. So, ibig sabihin, vertical or sa may y-axis yung ating kukunin. So, ibig sabihin, dapat in terms of y. Kaya, the integral from c to d is square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared. F prime of y dy. Kasi in terms of y siya. So, ang ating limits is from 11 to 27 raised to 3 halves. And then, yun nga, papakita ko na lang yung graph. So, ito, na-graph ko na siya. Ayan. And then, yung 11 raised to 3 halves natin is approximately nasa mga nandito part. So, mga 30 parts. Ayan. And then, yung 27 raised to 3 half naman natin malayo-layo, mga nasa 140 approximately. So, y is equal to 27 raised to 3 halves, y is equal to 11 raised to 3 halves. So, ibig sabihin, yung hinahanap natin na length is mula dito hanggang dito. So, yan. Yan yung hinahanap natin. And then, so yun nga, alam naman na natin kung ano yung boundary natin. Ito yung ating boundary. And then, ang kailangan na lang natin kunin is yung ating f prime of y squared. F prime of y squared. So, kunin na lang natin yung equation which is yung y equation ng curve raised to negative 3 halves is equal to 8x plus 3. So, sabi natin in terms of y, kaya ko nilipat si x dito or kukunin ko yung values ng to in terms of y. So, 8x, transpose ko yung 8x, negative 8x is equal to 3 minus y raised to negative 3 halves. Then, divide both sides by negative 8. So, x is equal to 3 minus y raised to negative 3 halves. Negative dyan. So, over 8. And then, kunin na lang natin yung kanyang derivatives. So, yung f prime of y in terms of y. So, dy, dx all over dy is equal to, so ang derivative niyan ay negative 3 all over 16 y squared square root of y. So, and next na gagawin natin is i-squared na lang natin siya para makuha na natin yung exact value nito. So, i-squared na lang natin siya. So, ang magiging sagot is 9 all over 256 and then y raised to 5. So, nakuha na natin yung f prime of x squared. Then, substitute na lang natin yung values dito sa ating equation. So, burahin ko na lang to. So, the length is equal to, yung C natin is 11 raised to 3 over half. And then, D natin is 27 raised to 3 all over half. Square root of 1 plus ito, 9 all over 256 y raised to 5. So, hindi natin pwede kalimutan si dy kasi in terms of y. So, ang sagot dito is approximately 103.81 so units. Units lang guys kasi nga length lang yung hinahanap. So, ito na ating final answer.